So today we'll be unboxing the most expensive toothbrush from the market, the IO Series 9 from Oral-B. Hey, what's up? Adrian here with the Unbox, bringing you tech unbox and reviews. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And hey, at any point in this video, check out the show notes and links in the description below. I list all the details and everything else I forgot. So let's jump into this toothbrush unbox. Okay, now let's see what's inside the box. I'll grab the cutter and let's open this. Let's cut this open. Yes. The most expensive toothbrush. How do you open it? Of course, like this. Wow. Nice. Hello. Okay, so this is for the app, I think. Let's leave this on the side. Interesting. So first you get the toothbrush, and then you have the charger. Nice charger. Then another charger for the case, I'm assuming. And the case. Yes, that's the charger for the case. So you can charge your toothbrush while it's in the case. Good idea. What else is here? Something to keep your heads, toothbrush heads. One toothbrush, one extra toothbrush head, or is it just one? We'll see. Okay. Also, you just take it off. Yeah, that's it. Let's see if it has power. English. Okay. White. Okay. Daily clean. Start. Stop. Oh, it has like a nice feeling of stopping it, like. Well, you can see it's not like a usual toothbrush, so this vibrates, this thing inside, so it just suddenly stops. Interesting. And I really like this magnet. Let's see. Will it sit? Should sit. Oh yeah, it's correct. If it's flat, it should sit. Hello again. Daily clean. How about this button? So it has Bluetooth, you can pair it with the phone. Okay. So I only get one head? Let's see what else can we find in this box. Nothing else, just manuals. Gentle care. Ultimate clean. You will need different heads for different functions. You have sensitive teeth and you want to brush. You need this head. So what head do we have here? It's the ultimate clean one. Okay, so nothing else in the box. Let's set the box aside and let's open this. Looks really good, but here it looks like it's not. It says a small bump. Let's see. Well, you can easily knock it, but if nothing is moving, it should be fine. But it's like easily knockable. Okay. Next, let's see the case. Really nice white finish. You just press here and the case is open. Nice and easy. I really like this. And you can charge it while it's in the case. Charger fits here. Nice. And you have this case, so you can bring with you one head, then you can have some additional ones here. As you will see when you press the button for daily clean, it will start the timer so you can see how long did you brush. See, the face is not happy because you did not finish brushing. Just 33 seconds. At least 2 minutes, don't forget. Now let's try and plug it in the socket. To put it in the case first. Plug the case first and see if it's charging or how it's charging. Okay, so we take the case, plug it in, open the case. Nice. Charging. You can see the light is charging. Okay, now let's try the other one. Nice. So you can barely see charging. Not charging. Charging. Not charging. Charging. Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you with this video. Don't forget to click the links in the description below if you want to buy the most expensive toothbrush on the market. And see you on the next one.